we saw today a very good demonstration, I use that term again, a demonstration of our capabilities with the development of breeds in cattle. Jamaica was a pioneer in that regard, and many countries have taken the breeds and are doing very well with them. We're doing well with our breeds here in cattle, but we could do much more. We're seeing young people, this is one of the things I would say, in this debate I'm seeing a lot of young people and I'm seeing a lot of young women participate. That's very important to see that the generational change and a diversity and a demographic change is happening in agriculture. The area in which I really want to see more self-reliance, more sustainability is in our proteins. That is a challenge. So I think if we can figure out a way, we have done fairly well in chicken meat, and I'm seeing fish and pork. I'm seeing fish emerging, but it's still we import too much. For example, we import too much goat meat, for example, and we should be able to grow enough goat meat, save for the thieves. But I think we're in a fairly good place in agriculture, but we're not exactly where our true potential is.